I'm Storm Checker ET meteorologist Austin Haskins with your Monday weather forecast. We had a really nice day across the area yesterday after the weekend started off. Not the nicest, as we had some snow, we had a little bit of wind, temperatures were in the 30s. Yesterday, sunshine and temperatures near 60, so right where we should be at this time of the year. But we are tracking for a few afternoon and evening showers and some isolated rumbles of thunder today. A better chance throughout the day tomorrow for a few showers and storms. But Wednesday and Thursday is looking to be the nicest days of this week, because then the weather pattern is going to turn a little more active again as we head into the weekend. So here's a look at Futurecast, and through about early afternoon, things are going to be pretty quiet. After about 2:30 this afternoon, we're going to watch a line of showers, maybe a couple embedded thunderstorms pass through the area. There's not a lot of energy and moisture to work with today, so we're still going to see a chance for some showers, but maybe a rumble of thunder or two at best. And that is actually out of here pretty quickly. By the time we get to about 8 p.m., which is sunset tonight, the precip should be out of here, and the rest of the evening is actually going to be pretty quiet with a mostly clear to partly cloudy sky. Now, we'll start Tuesday pretty quiet, but the clouds will increase, and this is attached to the same system. There's going to be a warm front and a weak cold front that comes through with today's round of rain. This one is going to be a little bit of a stronger cold front that'll bring more showers and storms to the area from about mid to late morning through the afternoon and early evening hours on your Tuesday. And this one could have the potential of, a few more isolated storms around, but there's enough cooler air in the upper levels that could maybe allow for some of the stronger storms to produce maybe some pea-sized hail and some gusty winds over 30 miles per hour. Not expecting anything severe, but something that we could at least be tracking into the afternoon hours on Tuesday, and then we'll clear out Tuesday night. So how much rain are we looking at with the kind of the waves of rain with this system? Anywhere from about a trace to 2/10 of an inch is most likely. The high end, though, if you get under a heavier shower or storm, maybe up to about a 1/4 inch, 3/10, maybe even as much as 4/10 of an inch. Now, the Storm Prediction Center has most of the area today under a threat for non-severe thunderstorms. That's this area in blue. And then the same thing on Tuesday, too. So we're not expecting any severe weather with this system, but just your general showers and couple thunderstorms passing through. Also, too, with this system, the wind is going to be picking up out ahead of it. So as the clouds increase today, the wind is going to increase. We'd have sustained winds this afternoon, 15 to 25 miles per hour, could gust up to 35 miles per hour. And then the wind will remain breezy tomorrow, but as that second front moves through, the wind's going to turn back to the north and west. Now, as I mentioned, we have a couple dry days in the forecast. That's going to be Wednesday and Thursday. As we head into the weekend, we are going to be monitoring periods of showers and storms to move through, as potentially one, if not two, decently strong low pressure systems to track through somewhere in the upper Midwest. The exact details are unknown at this time, but there are also the ingredients are available that we could have a few stronger storms potentially. Again, we're still several days out. The exact details will be ironed out, so I encourage you to stick with us on air, online, and our social media pages, and the Storm Tracker 18 weather app for updates as we get closer to that time frame. The other thing, too, with this secondary cold front that comes through, going back now to Tuesday night, it's going to really drop temperatures, and we're going to likely be waking up Wednesday morning to a freeze across nearly the entire area, and potentially maybe even a hard freeze across the northeastern parts of the area. And that's where temperatures will drop into the upper 20s, around 28 degrees or less is what's considered a hard freeze. So frost and freeze alerts are going to be needed on Wednesday morning. So we'll be updating you that if those alerts are issued, which I do expect to be the case. As you see, our low drops to 27 degrees after reaching a high of 60 on Tuesday. 57 for Wednesday. Again, Wednesday looking pretty good. Thursday, we'll have a little more cloud cover and a little bit more of a breeze in the afternoon, but we'll bump temperatures up to about 65. And then there are those chances for showers and thunderstorms off and on throughout the weekend with breezy conditions.